What up, it's your boy Capo Java. Special shout out to some super fans, Amber and Haley from their Scotland trip. Picked me up this little number. Guess what's not working now? The dryer. We're unplugging it. Maybe removing the hose. It's just a little Phillips head screw here. These are quarter inch bolts in the back. Let's see what we got. Lifted the top. Okay, so I got some more up here. Like a door. This looks like a freaking mess. Well, this looks like the controls. Down there looks like the motor that turns the drum. Some wires on this side, so not much, but I think this is our heating coil, hopefully. So let's take this one off and see what it is. Shit. I don't know. It came out weird. I thought it was just like this thing. I will say, careful. This stuff is sharp. Pictures of this stuff. You gotta unplug it. You need to put it back. All right. Yeah, makes sense. Purple and red, The only way to get to remove the heating element is to take the front off. So, yeah, Maytag. All the dryers are the same. They're so stupid. Put a panel on it, all right? We're not buying a new Maytag. Torx X and Phillips. I don't even care. I'm taking all this screws off. It's Sunday, guys. Day of rest. Don't even get a day off. Decided to break when you need stuff dry. It never breaks at a good time, you know? T20 size are these. Just a 2x4 under there to get to these bolts because they put it ridiculously back. We got all the bottom, the two Phillips heads. These could probably stay. It's gonna go to these T20s. A MED 5630 HCT. Most of the T20s, but now I'm gonna move to the top. Remove these two and just pulled straight up. It's like the controls. Some hidden bolts, guys. Let's get them. I got those three. Feels a little loose. Huh. Gosh. Okay, we're in business. My goodness. Plastic legs. Still working though, okay. Well, there's the heating tray. Trend it. Okay, there's our element. We're gonna somehow take that bolt off that left thing. Oh gosh, well maybe I can just undo this bolt and pull it out. Why not? This bolt. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, the wires. All right, there you are. Come on. Get this screw. They like buried it in there. Last screw, guys. And we're getting these coils out of there. Jammed it in. Yeah, baby. Yeah, get it. Get out of here. Get out of here, Screwy. Here we go. We'll see ya. It's known as the Maytag screw job. To get these things off, you use a flathead screwdriver. Wedge it off. I think it did something. I need two hands. Oh, this is the part number I got. They just slide off, see? Yeah, see? They slide off, see? Okay, they're just really hard, but use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect. I put the part number and the link is in the description for a kit in case it is the thermocouples or any of this other stuff. In case it's any of those sensors, it comes with some of those as well. So kit's coming tomorrow. That's all I can do today. Right, new one came in. I'm just gonna replace all the sensors while I have everything down. So I'll try and use the screwdriver to take off these little cords here. Get the money shot for y'all. Hope you appreciate it. But yeah, you just turn screw. I need 2 hands. You just wedge these connectors off with a screwdriver, okay? Let me see if I get those two. Came off pretty easy. This one, I thought I was home free, but there's one more. This one, I'm gonna try and pull this cord out. I just pulled it forward and this came out, so hopefully this is still okay. But it's out. There we have it. All right, so this is this one. This is this one. Package came with you. This is the old one. It says 352F. New one says 352F. Great. Just 2 bolts. The old thermostat, and it has this thing, that last switch, which does not match what I have. I don't know if it's necessary or what it is. This is the high limit shutoff. That's what this is. Other than that, it's the same thermostat. So I need to find one with a high limit shutoff. Look, this is the old one. I'm looking at this thing. Maybe it failed, and that's why it won't heat. That hole doesn't look like in the center, so I don't know. I may need to order another piece just because of this thing. I don't know. High limit switch, whatever. I ordered a new one on Amazon. We'll put the link for both in description below. Time to push this back in the meantime while waiting for my next delivery. Okay. Slide it in, guys. Just be careful here. Right down the middle. It's like there's a bolt hole up here. So let's line up those holes. Lined up. That bolt hole's lined up. It's your boy Capo Jabba. Special shout out to some super fans, Amber and Haley from their Scotland trip. Picked me up this little number. It's called the Nessie shirt, obviously. You know, pre-Jaws. This was like a legend for a while. So thank you, Amber and Haley. Preach. Sorry about Chris. All right, we got the piece. We got the piece. Thermostat with this thing. Link in description below. Let's do it. Let's finish this. Bolted it back in. Just gonna put everything back in reverse. Putting this back was hard, but 3 bolts and force it in there. Shouldn't be too much of a gap. All right, Nessie fans, moment of truth. It's back together. Maytag. Oh. Feel that? Feels warm. Feels warm. Maybe. It smells like burning. Now it does smell, but I think that's the shipping oil, so just keep an eye on it. But I think it's like a new dryer, new oven smell. It goes away. Watching from over here. Let me know if y'all see anything. Treating it like a new dryer. Running a quick dry to burn off any shipping oils. Isn't that right, Nessie? All right. Whew. That feels toasty. Hot. It's toasty. there you have it. Maytag. How to get your dryer heating again, baby. Nessie out.